Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to set your delivery time as a vendor. Alright, to set your delivery time, number one, you have to go to your settings, go to your vendor dashboard. I'm already there. Go to settings, and then from settings you proceed to delivery time. Alright, when you go to your delivery time, just simply, the first thing is delivery support. That is, do you support home delivery? And home delivery means delivering to your customer's address. Store pickup means your customer coming to pick it up from you. So select which one you work with. For me, I work with both. Alright, okay. Now another thing is, when your customer is selecting the delivery time that he or she wants when paying, how many days the delivery time is blocked from. What this is just trying to say is that, alright, maybe the customer is selecting, maybe today, as at now, today is currently 17th of November. Alright, so what if, when do you want your customer to be able to start selecting the delivery time from? Do you want it to be starting from, if you select one, that means there should be 1 day difference. So that means you can only select from 18th of November. You can't select 17. If you make it 2, you can only select from 19th of November. So that is the way it works. But 0 is good by me. You can select the same day and get your product the same day. Alright, the another thing is the delivery day. When do you deliver? Alright, I deliver Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday is already selected. I don't deliver on Sunday, maybe because Sunday is busy for me. And immediately, if you notice, as you are selecting it, it's reflecting here. As you can see, Sunday is no longer, you cannot even select Sunday again. It doesn't work any longer. Alright, only the days you selected, that's when you can now set the time for. So when you come down and you click on Monday, the question now is, select when do you open on Monday. That when is the period you can deliver on Monday. What's the duration of the time you open for delivery and close for delivery. I open for delivery on Monday, maybe because of lectures or anything. I open for delivery on Monday by 3 p.m. and I close for delivery on Monday by 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. or 7 p.m. Now, time slot. What is time slot? Time slot means that, okay, now you said you open 3 p.m. and you close 7 p.m. When do you want to, how do you want your customers to be able to book? Do you want them to be able to book every 30 minutes? At least, okay, like this, if customer A comes and says, okay, I want you to come and deliver to me on Monday. Now, the system will allow him to select what time does he want you to what time does he want you to deliver to him on Monday. Now, does he want you to deliver, if I select 60 minutes here, that means he can only choose between 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, that's 60 minutes, 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 5 to 6, or 6 to 7. So the system will split it into 60 minutes. I missed your duration. Alright, if I set it to 30 minutes, it's going to be 3 o'clock to 3:30, 3:30 to 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock to 4:30, and that is the way it works. But 60 minutes is fine by me. So the system should split it into 60 minutes. Now, the next thing is order per slot. Alright, so if customer A selects 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, right? If customer A selects Monday and selects 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock on Monday, which is within our opening and closing time, and also, okay, that's fine. Now, if customer B also comes again and selects Monday, selects also 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock on Monday, that's fine. But the question is, this time is now asking, how many people can select within one duration? How many people can select between 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock? How many people can select within 4 o'clock to 5? That 1 hour duration you set here, how many order can you receive per that slot? Alright, so I could say, okay, I don't want to burden myself too much. So in a 1 hour period, in a 60-minute period, let me only be able to receive just 5 orders. That is, I can only deliver 5 within one hour period. Alright, so and we have set for Monday. So we do the same thing for Tuesday. I open by 3 p.m. and I close by, maybe on Tuesday I close earlier. I close on Tuesday by 4:30 p.m. Alright, I could make Tuesday maybe 30 minutes each, not 1 hour like Monday, and maybe my order per slot on Tuesday should be maybe 3. Alright, I can go to Wednesday, and like I said, Wednesday is okay, maybe 3 p.m. and closing time is 7 p.m. Alright, so order per slot is time slot 60 minutes, order per slot is maybe 5 also. Same thing with this. Thursday is 3 p.m. to maybe 4:30 4:30. I could make it a 30-minute duration each, and order per slot is 3. Friday, I open by 3 p.m. also. or maybe earlier on Friday. Maybe I open by 1:30 on Friday. Closing time is, I close late on Friday. I can close as much as 7:30. All right, 1 hour duration each. Another pass slot on Friday, maybe 7. All right, so it allows you to configure it to your preference. All right, on Saturday, all right, maybe because I have a lot of washing to do on Saturday, let's make it 3 p.m. Closing time, okay. Other pass slot 60, good. All right, 5, and I update my settings. All right. So, and this is the way it works. This is exactly the way it works. Now let me go to one of my products and try to buy it and see the way the system will bring it out. Or one of my own products, let me try to buy one. All right, so if I view this product in a new page, all right, and I try to buy it, I add it to cart. Let me buy it with this, with the team lead CEO's name. All right, so just, all right, so as you can see, it tells me before I can proceed to place order, it tells me to select the delivery time. So you see, is it delivery I want or is it pickup I want? Anyone I want, I just have to first select it. All right, so you can see what it's trying to say. All right, so delivery, for delivery, select the date. All right, when do I, you see, it only allows me to select, today is currently Wednesday, and it allows me to select Wednesday because we set 0. If we set 1, I mean for the Bufari, I don't know if you can remember, if you select 1, 17 will not be possible, only 18 will be possible. Because we selected 0, I can select on the 17th. And notice I can only select within Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. No Sunday is available for selection. So that is the way it works. Alright, let's say I want to collect it tomorrow. I'm busy today, let me collect it tomorrow, Thursday. Alright, time slot, I have to select within the period we set for Thursday. You can see how beautiful the system is. Alright, so 3 o'clock to 3:30, 3:30 to 4 p.m. I can only select within, we set 30 minutes. All right, let's go back and see what we did. All right, let's see what we did for Thursday, right? Yeah, for Thursday, what did we set? All right, for Thursday we set 3 o'clock to 4:30 and 30 minute duration. All right, so that's why it's splitted the system. It's splitted it to 30 minutes, so 3 o'clock to 3:30. All right, so I can only select that period, and that is when I can now place my order. And that is the way it works, guys. That is the way it works. That is the way it works. All right, so thank you so much for watching this tutorial. This is how you set up your